Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to change voice on ChatGPT. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. Click on the search bar and type in chatgpt.com, press enter. Or instead of that, you can also open the ChatGPT application if you want. Make sure you're logged in to your account. You can see over here ChatGPT has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to change the voice, it is actually very simple. For that, what you have to do is click on your name that you can see at the bottom left corner of your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. At third, you'll be able to find the option for settings. Simply click on it. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to access the settings like general, notifications, personalization, connected apps, etc. Make sure general option is selected. In the general option, you'll be able to find various other options like theme, language, spoken language, voice, etc. Over here in the voice, you'll be able to see the voice that is selected right now. You can simply click on it. Now you'll be able to find several other voices over here. Simply click on the voice of your choice. You can also try playing it. Simply click on this option play that you can see on the screen.
Hey, what's up? Feel free.
Like this, you'll be able to preview the voice. So simply preview all the voices and click on the voice that you want to select. Now once you do that, the voice will be changed. So that is how you change voice in ChatGPT. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.